My dear student friends, hope you are fine. Today, let's go through a birthday letter experience. We all got sweet birthday treats in our life. Am I right? On your birthday celebration hour, you have received birthday cards, gifts, letters, etc. No doubt at all. It's a most joyful and beautiful hour. But this birthday letter theme is different. This letter is written by Jawaharlal Nehru to his loving daughter Indira. I think there is no need to introduce them. Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian politician and a central figure of the Indian National Congress. He was imprisoned for taking part in the freedom fights. He wrote this letter when he was in prison. Let's go through the golden pages of Indian history and this birthday letter theme. Are you ready? The magic of Bapuji's message has stolen hearts of millions of men and women. Jawaharlal Nehru says that in our freedom movements, there is no room for secrecy or hiding. When time comes, ordinary men and women become interested in a great cause. Jawaharlal Nehru dislikes sermonizing and doling out good advice. According to Nehru, if we are to be India's soldiers of freedom, we have to respect India's honor. Great leaders can inspire people to do great deeds. Let's go through this inspiration. Shall I read it? Birthday letter. Central Prison, Naini, October 26, 1930. My dear Indira, on your birthday, you have been in the habit of receiving presents and good wishes. Good wishes you will still have in full measure. But what present can I send you from Naini prison? My presents cannot be very material or solid. They can be of mind and spirit. Things that even the high walls of a prison cannot stop. You know, sweetheart, how I dislike sermonizing and doling out good advice. Sermonize means to give moral advice, especially when it is boring or not wanted. Dole out means to give an amount of food, money, advice, etc. to a number of people in a group. I have always thought that the best way to find out what is right and what should be done is not by giving a sermon. It has to be done by talking and discussing. Out of discussion, sometimes a little bit of truth comes out. I have liked my talks with you and we have discussed many things, but the world is wide and beyond our world lie other wonderful and mysterious worlds. Mysterious means difficult or impossible to understand or explain. None of us need ever be bored or imagine that we have learned everything worth learning and become very wise. But what am I to do then? A letter can hardly take the place of a talk. At best, it is a one-sided affair. Affair means an event or series of events. Imagine that I have made a suggestion to you for you to think over as we really were having a talk. For all birthdays, Indira got many presents as her birthday gift. But for this birthday, she couldn't get any gifts. Nehru wrote a long letter to Indira and trying to give inspiration to her. To become a great leader in future. This is the golden birthday gift of Nehru to his loving daughter Indira. I think you got the theme of birthday letter. It's not completed. Let's go through the words and try to say it from the memory. Birthday letter, receiving, presents, good wishes, full measure, Naini present, material, solid, mind, spirit, sweetheart, dislike, sermonizing, doling out, discussion, truth, wonderful, mysterious worlds, imagine, hardly, affair, suggestion, okay, my dear student friends. Bye. See you next week by the remaining part of birthday letter experience. Thank you.